Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change Your Plans with Angie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new metal disc that just came out with the Happy Planners Black Friday sale. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for returning. I actually was not going to make this video. It wasn't even planned. I ordered these on Black Friday and they literally just came in the mail. Now, everything is trying to stop me from making this video, including the fact that I just broke my fingernail before we started this. So we're going to act like we don't see it, but it is going to bug me the entire video. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys because I feel like I had trouble trying to decide if I wanted them, but of course there are no videos, so you're kind of buying it blindly. So let me just get into it. This will be a super quick video. Ugh, this fingernail. I wanted to show you my classic planner for this week. It is so cute. It's like the tacky sweater or ugly Christmas sweater spread that I created using one of the Hell of a Plan sticker books that I received, and I just love how it came out. So I just wanted to show you guys. This is also posted on my Instagram, which is Change of Plans with Angie. So let me just move this out of the way and let's take a look at these discs. Now, these two are brand new, and this is a old set that they had that I was actually able to use my points on, and it only cost me $1.19. So let me just show you these real quick. This is the Pearl Powder Wisteria medium metal disc. I don't know why I'm kind of into these pearl discs. I like the finish that's on them. So yeah, this is what they look like. They're not very shiny. Oop. Let me try to bring it in so you can see it. I also have them in a teal color and the mint green. This is what I hold my disc in. I try to put all my metal together, but like this is the mint green pearl that I showed like in another video. And then I have the, I believe this is jade. So now I have all three. I've been eyeing this color for quite some time, but I just didn't love it enough to pay the price for them. But for $1.19, we're gonna go ahead and buy them. So I do have that to show. I am gonna move this out of the way altogether. All right, now for the main attraction. I was so scared to get these metal discs because I did not know what color it truly was. Now this one is called Indigo Starry Moon medium metal cutout, and it was on sale, hold on, for $11.99. I already have the one that has the snowman cutout, and I've discovered that sometimes they bring out discs that they've already had, and I made the mistake when I bought the copper. I realized I already owned it. So this is what it looks like. I'll let you look for yourself and then I'll tell you what I see. Okay, this is what we have. One of my friends on Instagram kind of ruined it for me, Cynthia, and said it looks like a jack-o'-lantern. It looks like a smiley face, and now I can't unsee it. It does look like a happy little face. But I also see the star and the moon. But I like it, and I do want to use it. Now let me show you what they had. I believe it's called Azure Snowman, and I was scared that they were the same color, and they're not. So hopefully this might help you guys decide if you're interested in it too. Can you see the difference in the color? I don't want to be a person that is describing it because what I see and what you see may not be the same, and I don't want y'all to come for me. But they're definitely different colors, so I am happy. They're not so different in color, This more is like a bluish purple, I guess. And this kind of reminds me of like a blue green, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Don't come for me for describing it. I'm probably wrong. But I know that I love this color. But after Christmas, I don't want snowmen. So yeah, this is what they look like. There is your star and your moon. Again, this is Indigo Starry Moon medium metal cutout. And this was, I believe, like Azure, A-Z-U-R-E snowman. I haven't seen anybody post it or talk about it, so here you go. And then I don't have any red disc. Now there were a set of medium red disc that apparently popped up on the website the same day. And I wanted those because it just had the heart. But I was scared that if I ordered it and then it truly wasn't in stock, that I missed my opportunity to pick these up. This is called the Red Joy Cutout Medium Metal Disc for $11.99. Now, I've seen online that sometimes, I believe the Mickey red was like a red orange. So these are actually red. And I know online it kind of looked like it could potentially be red. It could potentially be orange, but these are actually red, y'all. And fun fact, my middle name is Joy, J-O-I. So of course I had to get these. But yeah, they're so pretty. What is that? Hold on. Ugh, that was inside. So yes, this is what they look like. They're really pretty. And I'm sure you could probably ignore the Joy and have these all year round. So yeah, coming up next on my channel will be me doing a planner refresh to Christmas. So I'm so happy that these are finally here so that these could be a contender for my actual planner. I feel like such a scatterbrain because, again, this was not scheduled at all. But I know sometimes it is very hard to see what discs look like, and there really isn't anybody recording it and putting it out there. So I hope this helps someone. But yeah, what do you think? Do y'all see the star and the moon like they're advertised? Do you see, you know, a smiley face? But actually, hang on. Let me try to make your life a little easier. Hold on. Actually, I can compare. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. I can compare a couple. I just thought about that. Give me a second. We're so unorganized today. Let's get rid of this handful. Here's the red, and here is the pumpkin for Halloween. So you can see the difference in color, or pumpkin for fall. And then here is the Indigo Starry Moon, the Azure Snowman, and this is the shade that's advertised as teal on the Happy Planners website. These are very close, but definitely not the same shade. So again, Azure, Indigo, Teal. So yeah, what do you guys think? Are you grabbing them? Did you grab them? Are you happy to have a video like this where it will maybe push you to make a decision? We're just gonna spread them out here. I know it's loud and annoying, but that's me. Like, what do you guys think? I'm very excited that I don't already own them because it would have felt like a waste of money, but I would have also probably threw them into like a giveaway that I plan on doing in the future to give it away to someone who didn't already own it. But anyway, real quick, just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget, come on over to Instagram. Stop playing. Come on over there. My name is Change of Plans with Angie on Instagram. Come follow me. Hit that button. Let's be friends and have a good time. Also, of course, over here, don't forget to like, comment, share it with someone, and subscribe. And let's be friends over here as well. I just want to thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.